Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we'll be doing some Z stuff, but before, we woke up early. I'm with Dennis, aka 619 WRX. We're in the Crosstrek right now, and we're picking up his car, his WRX, because
it's gonna be finished.
So Dad's got a new wrap. We're on our way. We're pulling up right now to Premium Auto Stylings to get the car with its new wrap. So this is their new location. I haven't been here before. Alright, so Dennis had to bring his lights with him. So tomorrow's S3, which is Subi's Summer Solstice. It's a big Subaru show. So today is the day before, so everybody is getting ready. Alright, little change of plans. We've been waiting for them to finish the wrap, but Dennis has an opportunity to go get a little carbon lip, so we're gonna go pick that up. It's about half an hour away.
A little later.
Alright, we're on our way back. I've got the lip here in my lap. Daniel called, he said the car is ready.
I am nervous of what's about to happen.
Oh, you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
I'm so nervous. After you guys.
Can I do one of these?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look until I get in.
You're good.
Damn! Oh my god!
Holy.
Hey, your shoes match too, bro. I know, look at that. I wore the perfect shoes.
Damn.
No way. You got that piece in there too?
Oh yeah. Got the embossing in there.
Like last time, it was amazing. Like even. Really?
Dude, totally different car.
I don't remember it when it was
There you go.
all black in the beginning.
I've never seen it black.
And then new tails.
Absolutely.
The wheels don't look actually that bad.
Yeah, see, that's what we kept saying. We were like, you know what? Keep them white. Like, we were all at first go black, but
Yeah.
it adds a really nice pop.
Damn, it actually gives that pop that it needed. You know, I think if you were to make them black, it might mute some of what's happening here. I like the way it looks, man.
Oh, you even did that in there. Damn.
Alright, man. See you out in the sun.
We're the little penises.
You'll find it. You'll find it.
Alright guys, so that's it for Premium right now, so we're gonna head back to San Diego. Alright guys, we're back in San Diego. We're gonna work on the Z, work on the brakes, see if we can get this thing to actually stop. Because last time we drove this, the car ran, but there were no brakes. I popped the reservoir cap and there was like no fluid in there. So I've got some new fluid, we're gonna pour it in there and see if we can get this thing to work. Alright, so we gotta bleed this thing furthest, the closest from the master cylinder, so that I looked up the pattern. It's gonna be the driver rear, then passenger rear, then passenger front, then driver front. Shit! Is that a locking one? Fucking wheel lock.
The next day.
Is that SD Stink Eye? Alright guys, so last night I wasn't able to bleed the brakes on the Z, so it's the next day. I ran into a little issue. One of the bolts on the wheels is a locking nut, and I don't have the key for it, so I'm gonna have to get like a bolt extractor or something for that. But today is actually S3, so I came down to the park. It took me like half an hour to park, but found a spot. We're gonna go and meet up with everybody, see what everybody did to their rides last night, and just show you what everyone's got going on for this year. I can only stay for a few minutes because I gotta run up to Escondido and get some seats for the Z. So here we are. Alright, there's a crap ton of cars here, so that's just SDS. I'm gonna go say what's up to the homies, and then I'll walk around with the camera some more and show you guys more of the cars that are here. Alright. What's up, guys? What's going on? There's Bernie. Hi, Bernie. Alright, bye, SDS. Dude, his stickers, check them out on Instagram. I always miss the drops, but we'll see. Maybe I can grab something while I'm here. Alright guys, gotta get going. Actually stayed a little longer than I should have, but it's alright. Couldn't show you all the cars, really apologize for anybody that I missed, but everything that I've seen looks great. Great vibe out here, as always, at S3. Alright guys, so last time I was here, I was gonna bleed the brakes, but I couldn't get the nuts off the wheels because one of them has a wheel lock on them, and I couldn't find the proper the tool. I searched the whole car. So what I did was I got these bolt extractors. I'm pretty much gonna try to whack this on to the keyed nut and try to remove the nut. So we'll see if that works.
You got it?
Get out!
Oh shit! I gotta lie, I'm a little impressed, bro.
The little extractor worked. It's 2 for 2. Alright, we got the last one off with the extractor, but it's getting a little too late to film, so we're gonna call it quits here and hopefully bleed this thing tomorrow. So, alright guys, we're back at it again. This is like attempt number 3 to bleed these brakes, so hopefully this is gonna be the last attempt, and we can get this car to actually stop. Alright, so the line is really cracked and shredded, so these are going to have to be replaced. For now, I'm just going to see if we can bleed them to get some fluid in the line. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, another failed attempt at getting these brakes to work. So I started bleeding them and air just started coming out the line and the reservoir was still full, so I was doing a little reading. I might have to do some bleeding of the master cylinder here, I don't know. So I might just try to clean the engine bay a little bit and end this vlog here for now, and hopefully next week we can figure out what's going on with these brakes. Alright guys, so we're back at it again. So I did a little research last night. It was saying that I may need to bleed the master cylinder. So there's 2 little nips here that I'm gonna put a line and then feed them back into the reservoir here. And hopefully that'll get any air that's trapped in the master cylinder out of there. So I'm gonna put the camera down, get that set up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I got this like fish tank airline tubing. I stretched it over the nipples, and I just fed them back into the reservoir. Sorry about the lighting, I know it's kind of shit. Alright, I'm gonna press on the brake pedal really lightly now, very slowly, and it should push the fluid out and release any air that's in the system. Alright, go ahead, pump it as slow as you can. Yeah, see all those bubbles coming out? That's all air in the master cylinder. Alright, so we're gonna keep bleeding this for a little while.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so I'm going to close the vlog out here. So pretty much what ended up happening was I finished bleeding the master cylinder, and then I went to go and bleed the rest of the lines, and the last one kept like spitting out air. I got super frustrated, it was hot out, so I kind of just gave up, and I came back again the next day, and I just bled the master cylinder for like half an hour, and that seemed to do the trick. So the brakes work now, that's where we're at. After I cleaned the engine, I discovered another fuel leak, so there's going to be an upcoming video where I replace all the leaking fuel lines and just get the engine ready to go. And pretty soon I'm going to get the car registered, and hopefully the car will be ready in the near future to be driven on the street.